How to book fulfillment center appointment for Amazon. Amazon carrier delivery appointment. Easiest way to book an shipment appointment for Amazon warehouse. Sign in to Amazon. Click left top of corner and then click on Inventory, then click on Manage all inventory. Then click on Shipping Queue. Then click on Manage FC appointment. Then select your warehouse. Then select your all shipment which you want to send to Amazon warehouse. Then select date. Then select time which is in your favor to deliver on time. Then select time zone. Then click on Confirm appointment. Then you get shipment ID. After creation of FC appointment, you need to print the appointment in hard form and take it with you when you reach to Amazon warehouse for check-in at the entrance door of Amazon warehouse. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more updates.